in a few minutes, you're going to be able to receive your first payment notification. And I'm not talking about little amounts of money, okay? But I'm talking about big, huge amounts of money coming through and notifying you. $100, $200, $400, and even $600 is going to pop up as a notification every single day, all day. And because of this amazing Google trick that I'm going to be showing you in today's video, I'm sure you guys have never learned or heard about this trick. This is going to be the first time, and I know you guys are dying to know what I'm talking about. So make sure that you hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Not a lot of people know about this method yet, and the best part is that it's 100% free. You don't need to pay anything, you don't need to invest anything. It's available around the world and paying out through a lot of methods as well. And you're gonna learn the secret Google technique as soon as you watch today's video, but you need to finish it first so that you know exactly what to do. Now, if you guys want to know what I'm talking about, then let's jump right into it. So first, I want you to visit shrinkme.io, and you're going to be taken to this homepage, okay? I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you're going to earn $300 in just a few minutes on this website. Now, you have to apply this Google trick and follow all of my recommendations and suggestions if you want to be able to start earning money right away. I'm going to demonstrate some of this website's payment proof. I'm going to show you. Now, as you can see, people are making money here every single minute. And if you look at this, people are cashing out every single minute as well from all over the world. You're going to see thousands upon thousands of actual income proof. And this website always makes payment on the right time. There's no delay, no slacking off whatsoever. There are a lot of options that you can choose from, like bank transfer, PayPal, Skrill, Pazer, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Paytm, and a lot more. And to start making money, you're going to have to follow these 3 simple steps. First, you're going to create a free account. Second, you're going to shorten a URL link and share that link with everyone online. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you're going to achieve that exactly. And third, after properly figuring out the method and really knowing how to do it, you're going to be able to start making hundreds of dollars in complete passive income in just a matter of minutes. Now, you have to watch it till the very end because you are going to fail in making money if you don't. Now, if you want to create a free account, you're going to click on the register in the top right corner of the page. Then you're going to click on this link to start the process to sign up for a new membership. You're now going to receive $1 for completely free right away as soon as you create a free account. This is a sign up bonus, and after you earn $5, you're going to start withdrawing your money. And again, they are going to be sending money every single day. Now, because most websites don't actually require you to wait for weeks or months to cash out, which is why I love this one. But on this website, payments are made instantly, and a wide range of payment options are available to you as well. I'm going to show you how you're going to use my secret Google trick method to start earning money right away in just a moment. Before that, I want to show you how everything functions. Okay, we're going to visit YouTube, find a video, then we're going to be given the URL link for that YouTube video. Then we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste the link in this bar in the shrinkme.io website, and then we're going to shorten it right there. Now, this website is going to automatically shorten that link, and that's going to give you a better understanding when I go through it even more, okay? Once the URL has been shortened, it's now possible you can share it everywhere around the internet. Now I'm going to share to you how we're going to do this. If you guys want to earn even more money online, make sure you check our description box down below because we have an amazing surprise for you guys there. So make sure you check the description box down below if you want to make even more money online. Also, I want you guys to answer the question in the comments down below. What would be your dream to get as soon as you start earning the money that we just promised you? And while you're at it, include what country you come from and what other videos you'd like to see in the future so that we can note them down. Anyway, moving forward, you're going to see that people from all over the world will click on your link and you're going to receive cash at different rates. For example, if visitors from Greenland click on your link, you're going to get paid $22 for every click, while clicks from Americans are going to get you $10. Now, the main reason why I'm going to teach you this secret Google technique is so you can make the most money possible by having a lot of Greenlanders click on your link. I'm going to discuss how you're going to choose the best YouTube video in this video, because if you find a bad video, you're not going to make a lot of money, and I'm going to show you where you're going to look for the best video, and after that, we're going to use this website, shorten the link. Once you get the shortened URL, we're then going to apply another amazing approach on Google to double your funds and give you and make you even more money. And I'm excited to get you through this. So, here's what I want to tell you first. The most popular videos that I've ever seen are weight loss videos, since there are a lot of people around the world who are interested in finding out how they can lose weight. So you're going to click on the filter after typing weight loss video into the search bar on YouTube, and then you're going to choose this week. And since these are all brand new, well-loved videos that were just released, we now need to determine which video is the best performing one for the week. Then you're going to find the video with the most views, like this one. You're then going to click on this video, then you're going to see the URL link for this video above it. You're going to click on copy. After you click this link, we're going to go back to shrinkme.io. Then we're going to paste the link into this tab. As soon as the link has been pasted, all you have to do is click this button right away to receive your new shortened URL link. All you have to do is copy the link, so we're going to be able to use it later. In the next step, we're going to go onto google.com. We're going to look up many well-known forums, specifically forums for weight loss. So we're just going to enter the term weight loss, and then click on search weight loss forum, and then we're going to hit on search. There are a ton of different forums where you can look up or share your link when we apply this method. People who want to lose weight hang around different forums, participating in different topics and learning a lot of different weight loss techniques. Now, they're all highly targeted individuals who will click the shortened link that you have shared with them. Now, the first thing you need to do is sign up for either of these forums. Using Google alone can allow you to discover a ton of different forums. You just have to really stay tuned for the secret Google technique that will get you Greenlanders to click on your link and earn you the most money possible. As you can see, attracting individuals from Greenland lets you earn 4 times as much money as attracting people from, let's say, Sweden. And I'll show you how to get individuals from Greenland in a few moments. So we're going to go back to the home page and the web page again. You're just going to sign up, register for free as soon as you access the forum. For example, to register for an account in this forum, you're going to click on the register button, fill out the form with everything they're asking of you, and then you're going to click on the sign up button. The same statement can be made in a lot of different forums. The more forums that you're able to participate in, the more links you can actually post there, and the more likely someone is going to click on your link. However, there is a little bit of a drawback to this technique, even if it is perfectly acceptable to have visitors from other countries click on your link. You're still going to earn money, but the question is how you're going to concentrate on getting more Americans, Irish, and Greenlanders to click on our link and earn money. And I'm going to reveal the secret strategy to that right now. Like and subscribe before going any further, because it really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be kept updated on all of our videos. And we promise you won't regret it. You can also maybe comment down below what you guys are loving so far about today's video, so we can read through them and maybe even respond to some. Now let's continue. Now, when you do different searches on Google, what you'll do is you'll click on the settings, just click on advanced search. After you locate it, you're then going to filter them to Greenland right here by selecting region. I'm going to look for Greenland, and to access it, you're just going to click on Greenland and then this advanced search option. You're then going to locate a lot of people specifically in Greenland by doing so. And you can use the same approach to get a lot of Greenlanders to click on your link. Now, the second best option is to just concentrate on Ireland and the United States, because there's not much forums available for people in Greenland. You can do the same thing over and over again, going back to Google, going back to settings, advanced search, over to region, find the United States. And on YouTube, you're going to find a ton of weight loss videos that are 100% legal to use and to share, because you're just, sharing other people's videos rather than reposting or re-uploading them. You're not going to be penalized or anything of the sort. they're gonna love it since a lot of people will view it if you share it. Now, this is one way to use a Google trick since you can get a highly targeted audience and specialized site to earn more money at this rate. But then again, there are a lot of ways to share this URL. You can also post this link on YouTube. You can do this in a YouTube comment or any of your other social media accounts like Facebook, and your earnings will grow even more as more people will click on your link. And this is how a lot of people are already making so much money online. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.